Hello, welcome to Lucas Food Review. I'm Lucas, and I'm
Sean.
today for my food review. We have lemon juice. Now I've never had lemon juice, and I'm pretty sure it's from 2014, but that doesn't matter. After you. Yummy.
Tastes like shit.
It tastes like shit?
Yeah. 2 out of 10.
That sucks. Anyway. Sean, is it true that you brought me a gift today?
Yes, it is.
Would you mind showing me that gift?
Yes.
Gee. I'm loving this. What is it?
Bread.
Mind if I take a bite?
That's what I brought it for.
That's a good point.
I hope. Are you okay? Are you good?
Overall, I give this bread